Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm here to introduce you to AP-MAS2000 IP-based main alarm system for unmanned security zone. AP-MAS2000 is IP-based main alarm system which can be installed in unmanned security facility, and it supports various sensors such as intrusion detection sensor. This AP-MAS2000 IP-based main alarm system controls and monitors various sensor alarm status, operation status, and setting by using 7-inch touchscreen LCD panel. Also, AP-MAS2000 provides SIP video call function optionally for emergency video communication with the main control center. AP-MAS2000 is designed as a wall mount type using wall mount bracket. AP-MAS2000 IP main alarm system is highly scalable and convenient for remote management. This product is applied to integrated security management solution with a CCTV solution for unmanned security facilities. AP-MAS2000 provides RS485 interface, sensor alarm interface, and sensor relay output port with 4 fixed slots. And AP-MAS2000 supports dual power input for using both AC power and DC power. AP-MAS2000 includes built-in AC/DC SMPS for connecting power input directly. In the rear side of AP-MAS2000, it supports one LAN port and console port.